overall, these clip-ins were very easy to install. This is my first time working with clip-ins, and so I do believe that this is 100% beginner friendly. This hair type is 3C to 4A, and I only had a little bit of shedding during the washing process, but I also get shedding, with my own washing process, so it's understandable. This hair is very versatile. You can do twist outs, braid outs, even perm rod sets, whatever you desire to do with your own hair, but you want to do it with the clip-ins, it is possible. Listen, you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I believe that this is the best protective style that I've had so far within my 1 year of protective styling. So this is what the hair looks like, all blended or somewhat blended. I only say that because my natural hair is a 1B color, and then the hair that they sent me is more of a natural brown color, which is okay still, but if you want it to be exactly like spot on, you would want to get your hair color. So I'm going to order some clip-ins that's going to be like a 1B because when I do hair, I had to make sure that it's at least like close to my natural hair as possible. But this right here, I give this a 10 out of 10 because I believe that this is what you guys need. This is what you want in a protective style. You want to look cute. Maybe you still want that natural look. You don't want to have a sew-in. These clip-ins are easy. When I say easy, I mean it takes me 5 to 10 minutes to clip them on, and then I take them off at night. I do not want to sleep in clip-ins at nighttime. You don't want to accidentally pull or tug or anything, so take that time to take them out. But this, you can't tell me that this is not my hair. Actually, hold on. If you was to just see me walk down like the road or something, right? Watch. Wait. Do you see that? I hope you guys see that. I mean, do you believe that you can see how close this is to my hair? Yay. So let me know what you guys think. Is this a 10 out of 10? Do you think it loses a point because the hair color is not the same? Because my hair color is a 1B and this is more of like a 2, or I guess you can say a natural brown. So I forgot to mention that there was one piece left over. So yesterday I used all of the clips, and I don't know where I went wrong with today, which I don't think I went wrong because it honestly looks fuller than yesterday. I was so upset yesterday because I thought that the hair was gonna stay like that, but I ended up brushing it out. But anyway, if you feel like there's not enough clips, don't worry, there's enough clips because I have a big head and I feel like I have a bigger head than average. So if my hair can look like this full, then I think you should be okay. So, yeah.